Can you guys believe these cupcakes are all from one simple vanilla cupcake base? Hey guys, in today's video I'm making perfect eggless vanilla cupcakes which are soft, fluffy and can be transformed into any flavor you like. So let's get started. In a bowl, first add milk and vinegar. Give it a nice mix and set it aside for the milk to curdle. In another bowl, let's mix the dry ingredients: maida, baking powder and salt. I'm giving this all a nice mix and setting it aside. In a large mixing bowl, take room temperature unsalted butter and we are going to whisk it with granulated sugar. Make sure the butter is at room temperature, and while beating, don't forget to scrape the sides and then continue beating till you get a light fluffy mixture. I'm adding in vanilla and giving it a nice mix. So once it's light and fluffy, I'm going to add the milk vinegar mixture which has now curdled, and then I'm adding in the dry ingredients. Fold the dry into the wet gently. Be careful not to overmix it. Once it's all mixed well and there are no lumps, you can preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Here's a pro tip, guys. In order to avoid greasy bottom cupcakes, add a few grains of raw rice in each cupcake cavity before placing the liners. The rice will soak up any extra oil and it will keep the base perfectly clean. So fill your liners 2/3 full and bake them in the preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Just look at that texture, soft, moist and beautifully golden. This is your perfect eggless vanilla cupcake base. So cool them completely before you start frosting. And now comes my favorite part, transforming them into 4 exciting flavors. Here's a little sneak peek of the final look, but to see the full transformation, make sure to watch part 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe and watch the next video where I will show you how to transform these simple vanilla cupcakes into something magical. See you in part 2. Happy baking!